Yo, yo, yo! Welcome to another unboxing. First things first. Usually I open the boxes on camera, and sometimes I don't. This time I wanted to because I was very surprised and slightly disappointed about the box that I got. And not because the box is roughed up or anything, but you see what it says on top. You see, you see what it says? Just do it. Yeah, I know when you're a business, you have to advertise things, but really, you got to do it on my porch, though. Do you know what time of year it is? Look at that big swoosh on the side. Come on, man. This is the time of year when people's packages are being snatched off the porch, and any and every reason you could have to snatch a package. We don't need this. You're gonna know it's shoes or something valuable inside this box, and we don't need just do it and the Nike swoosh all over the box. I understand you're a billion-dollar company and you got to get your name and your logo out there, but did you have to do it now? I mean, around Christmas time, did you have to do it now? People are at work, they're waiting for their boxes to be delivered. Everyone doesn't have someone at home or even are able to get it delivered somewhere else. And just having that Blue Ribbon Sports plain box, that helped. But now, well, that's my gripe about the box. Let's get into what's inside the box. So, I saw these and, I wanted them. I didn't know they were coming out this fast, but hey, lucky me. Just think of how mad I would have been if someone would have took this, because this is what they would have gotten. So, let's just dig in. The University Red Air Jordan 12. There we have it. I'm a sucker for a red shoe, man. I really am. That's just my thing. I like red. So, there we have it. As you can see, now these are made of a suede or nubuck upper. I don't know if it's real suede. I doubt it. Got your 23 and your Jumpman on the back. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. You got your metallic red eyelets with your metallic Jumpman. That's plastic. It's just a nice red shoe, man. Just a nice red shoe. I'm a sucker for them. I don't know what we have on the inside. Just a Jumpman, I guess. If you can't see that, it's just a red Jumpman on a black insert. But yeah, man, not bad, not bad. I'll break these out one day. But these are still available online. You can still go pick them up. They got plenty left. They dropped on Saturday. I don't think anybody really touched them. So there you have it. The Air Jordan 12 University Red.